Here we have the two 5-volt solar panels. And a single 5-volt solar panel will not be enough to generate enough voltage to recharge a 9-volt battery. So I have soldered the wire to two separate 5-volt solar panels in order to generate more voltage to flow into the rechargeable battery. So I've soldered the negative terminal to the positive terminal of each solar panel, along with a 1N1003 diode to the positive terminal of the first solar panel. This diode is to ensure that the current does not flow back from the battery into the solar panel, which would damage both the solar panel and the battery. So for this project I used an Energizer rechargeable battery. It's a 9-volt battery, and right now it's dead. You can see that it's only at 0.65 volts. I've added a heat lamp to emulate the solar arrays that would hit the solar panel. And as you can see, at a relatively far distance, the solar panels are generating around 7.5 volts. If I bring this heat lamp closer to the solar panels, you can see the voltage that they generate increases. So right now, the solar panels with the heat lamp right in front of them are generating around 10.5 volts. This is the basic setup of the battery charging station. I've added the solar panel system and connected it in series with the rechargeable battery. This is the final RC car with the solar panel charger attachment. It does have a crude design because I didn't have any structure I could build to keep the solar panel, so right now it just sits on the wires. But you can see the positive and the positive terminal of the solar panel goes straight down into the breadboard, where it connects to another wire, goes to the underside of the RC car. These two wires connecting the positive and negative terminals of the solar panel connect to a 9-volt battery attachment component that attaches to one of two different batteries. One battery on the bottom attaches to the solar panel attachment, while the other one, as you can see on the left, goes from the bottom of the RC car straight to power the Arduino and power the motors inside. This is the lower view of the RC car. You can see the two motors, but more importantly you can see both of the 9-volt batteries attached to the bottom. In this case, the 9-volt battery on the left is the battery in use. As you can see, the wire goes straight into the Arduino. The battery on the right is the battery being charged. You can see the wires connecting that battery go straight up into the circuit with the solar panel charger. So if the RC car battery was to ever die, a simple mechanical switch of these two 9-volt battery connectors would switch the power input and allow for the dead battery to be recharged.